Kardom Karbi live kelang ratun dan ini tu Karbi live pen putot isi alam he jasemet world music day labang so ke talon pon arni bang jasemet patumisi ke hot pon nangji arni lo jasemet Karbi Artist Forum atumpen sitame Karbi Permas Council Foundation day arani nang nanti boker masih alang litum tong sekot postpone pon nangkong lo kasi non kevangji tarik krihini ate Julai ciklusi putot habelangkung auditorium hololong si Karbi Artist Forum ahin pen cipati pipon si world music day labang suarni talon ponik po tangte na litum kadul wis tamila suarni litum langduno nang cetudo niko nang kardom
dong nilimen mongorong ti Karbi Artist Forum General Secretary lo kasi nilitum hi pen kita chini alam bigla pan lo ini zona ciklo tarik koraisi what music dia ni lo labang so ni kache to non sile to Karbi Artist Forum ni sambil itu labang so program celebration ko di pan chisi kita pamelo sitame council foundation de kita ko ajo nil to labang so ani mate pilihan ni proposal ko lake itu makuno adet kela lo tarik krihini Julai ciklu sini tu bukan kasi hala bangso abi kado we lun lam ka ching hon kopi jitu kado kalbi ang mara samya hala bangso ni nakito no yung Karbi Artist Forum ni samya ching di patik tapi te hala bangso ni nito tapi hala bangso ni nito alusar to changman ke halo Dr. Tulirarong hang CM of Karbi Permas Council alang ni hasil malaysia ko amang tin chang lo lapen guest of honor lakeli tum kaching hanai MP Lok Sabha MP itu morsing kisu sa hasil chang lo lapen te aku special guest itu chang lo lake sangpi nula phang chupi ECS district commissioner alang ni kana chang lo lapen te EM MEC itu kado kado chang do kasi halabang sorni itu kado we chitong rapet pen labang so world music day ni to halabang so ni sik talong kan siglo kasi Karbi lo marat kito an tande halabang so ni chitong ni kasi Karbi Artist Forum ni kado we Karbi lo kan kimiri lapen jahang padik Kardom
the presidents of Karbi Artist Forum. So it's general information to each and every one of you that the world music day, which is scheduled to be held on today, that is 21st June, it has been postponed to 12th of July 2025 at Langkung Habib from 5 p.m. onwards. On that day, we'll be paying tributes to some of the legendary singers like Joyram Tiso, Mongol Singho, Daniel Inti, Malini Tisopi, Francis Rompi, and some legendary artists of the Karbis, as well as will be paying tributes to some of the Bollywood renowned artists like Kishore Kumar, Lata Mangeshkar, Muhammad Rafi, KK, and others. So I request each and every one of you to please come and enjoy on that beautiful occasion, on a beautiful day. It will be a great moment. So on behalf of Karbi Artist Forum, once again filled and regretted for deferring or postponing of the schedule. So thank you.